Hi, this is Cassie Nelson with Distinct Home Group at Keller Williams Greater Metropolitan. Today we'll be viewing our listing located at 1926 Adena Lane in Mayfield Heights. Welcome to this spacious and beautifully updated throughout home located on a cul-de-sac in the desirable Lander Gardens development in Mayfield Heights. This move-in ready home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 updated bathrooms, a finished basement with a half bath, an eat-in kitchen featuring granite countertops, soft close cabinetry, trendy backsplash, all stainless steel appliances, and a center island, dining room, living room, extra family room that leads to the enclosed patio, spacious backyard with a deck and a 2-car attached garage. Here you will go up and we will be on our first floor living room area with that beautiful flooring and a side entry to the back deck. Your dining room space. Beautiful window into the living room, and you can see your entryway. We will go now into your eat-in kitchen with those granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And then you can also, it's all open, you can see the lower level down there. Your backsplash, center island, and your appliances. When you go down the couple steps, you will be on your lower level living room area. All neutral colors, very open. Sliding glass door to your sunroom with the view up into your eat-in kitchen. All windows on your sunroom walls. Little walkway off to the side door. Now we will go into the lower level basement area where you will have a finished basement with your half bath and your laundry room area with your hot water tank and furnace. And then to the right hand side is your finished area that is carpeted. Nice lighting, more neutral colors. And then we will head back up. Through your entryway again. We will go upstairs and view the 3 bedrooms that are upstairs. Here's your full bathroom, double sinks, lots of storage underneath, tub shower, there's bedroom number 1 on your second floor. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. This home is conveniently located near I-271, Legacy Village, Pinecrest, universities and schools, parks, shopping, dining, and many other local attractions. The seller is including all kitchen appliances. For your private showing, please give us a call at 440-568-0400. Thank you.